Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about admission and scholarship process in the University of Saskatchewan, Canada. We will discuss in detail how to apply, which programs this university offers, what are the document requirements and eligibility criteria. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel as you can receive every upcoming important video. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see I have opened the official link of University of Saskatchewan international students. This university offers admission and scholarships to 130 countries. Different students from overall the world. Approximately every year they offer 3,000 scholarships to international students. Here first we will discuss about programs, undergraduate programs. Here you can see find a program, how to find it. Bachelor's program 3 to 4 years, diploma programs 2 to 3 years, certificate programs 1 to 2 years or can be completed alongside a degree, non-direct entry programs requiring previous university study to enter, for example exchange program. So these all are the programs of bachelor's program: agriculture, plants and animals, business and economics, engineering, maths, physics and technology, environment and earth sciences, health, history. List of programs by alphabetical order. You can see here, you can directly search on Control F according to your choice. These are the programs of undergraduate. Here are graduate programs. We'll see graduate programs. Here you can see accounting, advanced veterinary diagnostic, pathology, agricultural economics. All these departments are master's degree. You can see here mostly departments are available to apply. Here you can see admissions, how to apply, admission requirements, how to apply. Before you apply, all masters, doctoral, graduate, certificate and postgraduate diploma students apply online, but the application procedures can vary between programs. Every program has its own criteria to apply in this university. Deadlines: academic units set their own deadlines for applications. Keep in mind that academic units make decisions on a scholarship and fellowships at set times during the year. These vary from unit to unit and may be different from application deadlines. And their application deadlines are also vary department to department. And admission requirements for graduate programs will vary. Please check the programs page to confirm. We will check here, find the program. We will check here every department's, every program's documents requirements. For example, we are going to open this one, economics. This is 2 years master's program. Here you can see the scholarship offers, international scholarships for international students. We will open this. Scholarship awards for master's program in economics. value. It's in master's program they are paying yearly 18,000 Canadian dollars to the students of economics, and doctoral students of economics they are paying them 22,000 Canadian dollars per year. So this is for economics department. You can check according to your choices how much scholarship award they are paying. Eligibility: must be registering for the first time in a thesis or dissertation based program at the University of Saskatchewan. Students transferring from a master's to a doctoral program are also eligible as long as they have not registered in their doctoral program at the time of the deadline for the competition. For example, if you are studying in another university and you want to apply for the scholarship in Saskatchewan, then you can easily transfer your studies in master's or doctoral program and you will be considered for scholarship. And you must have minimum grade point average 85%. And for doctoral program, at least one publication is required. These are the deadlines. Two deadlines are passed, January and May, and for September the deadline is remaining, so you can apply. Documents requirement: your latest degree you got from institute, transcripts, recommendation letters, your updated CV, motivational letter or statement of purpose. All these documents are required for this admission and scholarship. When you will apply for admission, you will be automatically considered for a scholarship if your academic background is good. Like if you have 85 percentage or you have good cumulative grade point average, so they will consider you for a scholarship. So all these are the details about this scholarship and admission process. Further, if you have any question, you can ask in comment box or you can directly contact me on Telegram. So that's it for today. See you soon in next video. Take care. Bye.